the farther into history you go, the more it's about writing the possibilities.
I mean, it's also interesting, why did the Neanderthals die out? And what we can compare is the cave art. And the cave art of the Neanderthals is much simpler than ours. Like, if you really get into the cave art, I don't know if you've done that.
I'm not, no.
It's quite fascinating. Picasso looked at some of the cave paintings in southern France, and he said we didn't learn anything new. And if you study them, they're really good, but only the humans are good. The Neanderthals, they were like worse artists than us. And you can also see there's a very famous one that comes from Algiers with like a shaman, and around his body, like mushrooms grow out of his body. So he was like a mushroom shaman. So mushrooms seem to have been like part, at least in that area. And I mean, that's the stoned ape theory that Terence McKenna did. And I think a lot of evidence kind of points to it, that we were able to develop our consciousness in a better way than the Neanderthals, who did not have a drug culture. They were basically too sober for the future. We assimilated them. They had no chance against our impetus of boldly going where no one has gone before. They were much more like happy with what they had. They were not progressing all the time. Like we have the transcendental kind of moment, which is, you know, the psychedelic experience. I guess you could think of it without it, but to imagine Sapiens makes more sense, to imagine Sapiens as stone sapiens, as a species that was able to incorporate psychoactive components into his development. It makes a lot of sense.